a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, northeastern Miami County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piqua, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Troy, Piqua, Urbana, St. Paris, Christiansburg, Northampton, Fletcher, Tremont City, Casstown, Thackeray, Westville, Millerstown, Farrington, Terre Haute, Lawrenceville, Dial 10 and State Route 41 at State Route 235. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 76 and 85. All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.